Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 208 Tech Edition. So this car has the ability to park itself, but if you like, you can park into yourselves, and you've got front and rear sensors as well as a reversing camera for help. Inside you've got the 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but here you'll find the connected 3D navigation. Other features of this car is the dual zone air conditioning, cruise control, and you get this lovely panoramic glass roof. Let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.